Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and if you already subscribed, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about my BOXYCHARM. And if you don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a subscription that you pay $21 a month for full size or deluxe size products, not samples, products. So let's dig right into what's inside my box. So we're going to open it up and oh, looks like we have these products. So the theme is vacation, and it looks like I get a 25% off for Butter London. I've never tried Butter London before, so I'm super excited for that. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. So I'm going to open this up. What does that say? Drama. Oh, the inside just says drama. Okay, so it's a pretty big mascara. I've never tried anything from Butter London before, so I'm a little bit excited for this. Ooh. So I don't know if you can see that, but this is just my kind of mascara. Alright, so I'm super excited to try that out. I cannot wait. So the next thing in here, this is something, oh my gosh, this is something I've been wanting to try for forever. I just can never just get myself together to try this, but this is Pretty Vulgar. So look at this beautiful packaging. It is plastic though, but basically it's a blush. Look at that. Oh, that is, ooh, that is gorgeous. Oh wow, just look at that. That is a very beautiful, it looks very peachy, like a peachy type of blush, a very everyday neutral blush. I can't wait to try that out. I love neutral blushes. I'm not really the wear bright pink type of person. I'm more of a neutral kind of person, but either way, I would love anything from Pretty Vulgar. So the next thing I have here is by a brand called South Maine, and it's 3-eye gel packs. So it's supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. So this is what one of them looks like. You get 3. So you're supposed to apply this for 30 minutes. And there's 3 because you're supposed to use it 3 times for 3 consecutive days. Okay, so I can't wait to try that out. I could really use some, I haven't been getting much sleep lately. Okay, so the next thing I see here are brushes. And this is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is a smoky eye brush set. Oh, what? Why won't you open? Oh my gosh. It is taped. Do they not want me to get to these brushes? Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, got it open. Oh, now the tape doesn't want to get off me. Okay, so, oh, wow. These are incredibly soft. So you get this really small little brush. You get this more or less large kind of brush. It's angled. It kind of looks like my Sephora brush, the one that I already own. And then you have this medium kind of dense kind of brush. So this is supposed to be for a smoky eye. So this is a smoky eye set. Oh, so they're numbered. One says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3, go girl go. Go girl go. Okay, I mean, sure, whatever. Okay, well I can't wait to try these out. And the main star of the show, the thing that I am most excited for, is this beautiful palette that BOXYCHARM collaborated with Pure Cosmetics. This is the star of the show. This beautiful palette. Look at these beautiful shadows. Oh my gosh. Let me swatch them for you. So I'm going to swatch Alliance. Oh my gosh, look at that. The The next shade I'm going to swatch is Charmer. That one's a little bit chunky, but whatever. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm like in love. Okay, I'm going to swatch this really purpley shade called BFF. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's try these products out. So the first thing I'm going to be trying out is the South Main. So let's open this bad boy up and pull this out. Oh, oops. It was backwards. Oh, whoa. That's really got that stuff in there. Like, it's really packed down. Okay. Oh, that is so weird. Okay. So let's go ahead and just apply this straight away. So I'm supposed to leave this on my eye for about 30 minutes. So ooh, that is so cooling and just so, oh, I feel like I need cucumbers on my eyes. Okay, so I'm going to let 30 minutes pass by and then I will be right back. So it's been about 30 minutes, so I'm going to remove this now. Take this right off, put it in this little container or this little thing. Ooh. And I'm going to use my ring finger to push in any leftover product. And I must say, this does feel moisturized. My puffiness has gone down a bit, and my dark circles that were there has reduced by, I want to say it's reduced quite a bit. I can still slightly see just a tiny little bit of darkness, but I mean, I only tried this one time, so I have 2 more to go, so I can't wait. Yeah, I really like this. This is really, so far so good. I really like it. So yeah, thumbs up. The next thing I'm going to try is the palette and these brushes. So the first shade I'm going to go into is Alliance, which is that bronzy shade here. And I'm just going to take the step 1 for the Money brush, which is that flat shader brush. And I'm just going to put this, I'm just going to use the mirror here that came with, and just push this all over my lid. I already primed my eyelids with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Okay, I'm going to tap this in. Maybe I need to go in again. Oh yeah, there we go. Much better. Ooh, yeah. So much better. Okay, so it's buildable. So when you first put it on, it's a little bit sheer, but that's okay because that's good if you just want like a wash of color over the eyelids. Like say you don't want a whole bunch of makeup, but you want a little bit something on your lids. Then you could just use an all over brush and just a wash of color, some mascara, and then you're out the door. That's good. You can always build it up if you want the color payoff to be really great, which is what I'm doing right now. And yeah, so far I really like it. The next shade I'm going to put in here is the shade, and this is ATL. And I'm just going to use the same brush on the other side of that brush. I am going to place this here on this part of the eye. Now I have no idea if this is actually going to look good. I'm just playing around with the colors and I'm just overlapping. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade called Naked, and I'm going to take this shade brush, the step 2 for the shadow brush, and I'm going to tap off that excess and place this in the crease. Again, I have like no idea if this is going to come out beautiful or not. I'm just playing with the colors. I'm just playing around and just seeing what looks good and what doesn't. Okay, so it's giving me a nice like warmness in the crease. It just adds like a peachy warmth. That's about it. I'm just going to dust this off with my little towel here. And then I'm going to take Perfect, which is like a beigey color, and I'm going to apply this to underneath my brow bone or eyebrow. Okay, so I'm going to take my 217 brush from MAC, and I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Duet. It's like a brownie kind of color. And I'm just going to take some of this, and I'm going to apply this to the outer corner, only because I feel like it's not dark enough. And then very slightly, whatever's left on the brush, bringing it out. Okay, so that's the eyes so far. So I'm going to stop with the eyes, and then I'm going to do the rest of the face, and then we'll come back to the eyes. Okay, so now that the rest of the face is done, I'm just going to take this small little smudger brush, and I'm going to go in with this blue shade called Mia, and I'm going to run this on my lower lash line. Okay, so eyeshadow is complete. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply this mascara. So I usually hold for about 10 seconds. This is what my lashes look like after I've applied about 2 coats of mascara. It looks pretty good. It made my lashes look full and volumized, as well as my lower lash line. My lashes, those are really tiny, so I'm surprised that this thing was able to make that look really good. So I'm really pleased with that. Last but very not least is the Pretty Vulgar blush, and if I didn't mention it before, this is in Hush Blush. So I'm going to take my usual blush brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to tap a little bit of that right off and applies to my cheeks. The way I like to apply my blush is I smile and apply here, and then I just blend it out. Okay, so let's talk about how much this box is worth. This box is worth about $115.15. I don't know about you, but paying $21 a month sure as hell beats $115. So the palette itself is $36. That's expensive. The Butter London mascara is $20. South Main under eye gels are $10. The Vintage Cosmetics brushes is about $23.15. And the Pretty Vulgar blush is about $26. So already some of these things, they are way more expensive, the entire box themselves. You pay $21 a month for all of these items. You don't pay $115.15. So I don't know about you, but I'm completely blown away by BOXYCHARM. I'm like, mine's blown. It's just blown. So let me talk about my favorite things and my least favorite things. If I were going to rank this, I would say that the palette is 1. The blush is 2. The under eye gels are 3. This would be 4. 4, and then 5. If I could rank it. Still likable. These items are still likable, but would I purchase them on my own? No. Would I purchase these items over here on my own? Hell yes. So with that said, I did like this box. I'm excited for my next box. So thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this month's BOXYCHARM. Are you subscribed or not? And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.